Hey everyone, welcome back to PRN Test Drive. Today, guess what? I've got the Civic Type R. Metal shift knob, red badging. That's right, check out this car. This looks super menacing. Bulging fenders, front and rear. Got this big grille up in the front. Type R badging. Functional hood vents on the hood, red interior, red carpet, plus white on black exterior. This thing looks super cool. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbocharged engine, the K20C1 engine that puts out 315 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. Power is routed through a 6-speed manual transmission only, and then to the front wheels. There's also a helical limited slip differential that makes this car drive like a dream. In terms of tires, this guy has Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. These are 265 wide, 19-inch rims. In the middle here, you see 4-piston Brembo brakes up front and a single piston caliper in the rear. You also get adaptive stampers with this Civic Type R. A dual axis McPherson strut in the front and a multi-link setup in the rear. The Civic Type R weighs in at about 1,400 kilos, which is around 3,200 pounds. Anyway, I can't wait. Let's go for a drive.